house right there and that house right there, or any of these houses here. This one is different. What makes this one different?
They turn it into a duplex.
You are so smart.
You're wrong.
What's your name? Oh, it's a triplex.
Oh, a triplex.
3 mailboxes.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't see that. I just saw
There's
that
actually
outside.
there's actually 3
staircase.
houses here. So this is a single family home where they split it up into 3 houses. So they added on a little bit. They put an outside entrance onto the upstairs. My understanding is there's an upstairs, a downstairs, and like a back basement kind of place. So there's actually 3 living units there. Now, this place is just 1. That place is just 1. That place is just 1. This one is 3. If you think back to that apartment building we were looking at before, it's very clear, right, that that was an apartment building, many families living in there. This one here is so subtle. I never knew it was a triplex until literally it went on the market a little bit ago. I was like, where is there a triplex over there? I've never seen that. And I went over and there it was. When we talk about adding value and adding more people to this neighborhood, this is like a really simple way to do it. There's a lot of people in this neighborhood that are struggling to make their mortgages. They're struggling to make their payments. And if you allowed them to rent out their garage, rent out their basement, rent out their second story. And a lot of them are doing it now. They're just not doing it legally. But if you allow them to legally do it, it'd be a way for people to not only make ends meet, but provide a higher quality of life for them. The main objection that we get when we talk about adding density like this is that there'll be too many cars and there'll not be enough places to park. Well, look on the street. We don't have a problem with parking. Just look down this way at how much parking is available. And we certainly don't have a car problem in terms of the volume. There's not like a ton of cars coming through here. So this is something we could do throughout the entire city. Really, double, triple the population, where it would help people and where they would want it without really changing anything about the neighborhood. So let's get out of the sun, Camden.